How to speed up your slow Windows device. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you a simple trick that will help you and your PC to work faster. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, you'll need to open up your settings. So open up your settings, and after you open up your settings, simply head over to the system settings, and under system scroll down till you find about. Tap on about, and in about you need to scroll down till you find advanced settings. So it should be right around here. After you tap on advanced system settings, you will see the system properties. Now right here you will see the advanced option where there is performance section. Tap on settings on performance, and here you should see many options, that is 3 of these options. So right here you will need to tap on adjust for best performance. So after you tap on adjust for best performance, tap on apply and then tap on OK. Now what this will do is it will adjust your settings and your system to the smoothest possible way, and yeah, that is how you do it. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. If you guys found this video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more.